On Wednesday, Asian stock markets gained amid unexpectedly positive data from China. Stocks in Hong Kong soared nearly 4% on the Wednesday afternoon trade following reports that a controversial extradition bill is set to be withdrawn. Mainland Chinese stocks also saw gains, with the Shanghai Composite rising 0.93% to about 2,957.41, while the Shenzhen Composite advanced 0.667% to approximately 1,636.40. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 gained 0.12% to close at 20,649.14, while the Kospi in South Korea closed 1.16% higher at 1,988.53. The S&P ASX 200 in Australia closed 0.31% lower at 6,553.00. The MSCI Asia ex-Japan index was more than 1.6% higher. On the data front, the Asian Market and Services Purchasing Managers Index came in at 52.1 in August, its highest since May. Official data for August released earlier showed that services sector activity picking up for the first time in 5 months in August. Australia's economy rose as expected during the second quarter. Gross domestic product came in at plus 0.5% quarter on quarter on a seasonally adjusted basis and grew 1.4% year on year. Both figures came in line with expectations. In Europe, stocks closed higher Wednesday after British lawmakers defeated Prime Minister Boris Johnson's government in a vote to seize control of parliamentary business, moving closer to blocking a no-deal Brexit. Meanwhile, the Bank of England lowered its estimate for the scale of damage to the UK economy in a no-deal Brexit scenario. Italian stocks rallied after Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte announced that the Democratic Party's Roberto Gualtieri would become the new government's economy minister. Luigi Di Maio, leader of the anti-establishment Five-Star Movement, will be foreign minister. The FTSE MAB rose 1.6%, touching on a more than 1 month high on the news. The Pan-European Stock 600 index rose 1.14%, hitting its highest level since August 2nd. U.S. stocks finished solidly higher on Wednesday, with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq indexes more than wiping out losses from a day ago, as a survey on business conditions in the Federal Reserve's districts pointed to a steady economic activity in non-financial service sectors. The Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 237.45 points to close at 26,355.47, posting an increase of 0.9% as the S&P 500 added 1.1% to end at 2,937.78. And the Nasdaq Composite Index advanced 1.3%, ending at 7,976.88. The Fed's Beige Book showed that the overall economy expanded at the same modest pace seen in early reports this year, despite intensifying tariff conflicts. A majority of business owners remained optimistic about the near-term outlook, the report had said. And in currencies, the greenback was sharply lower against the European currencies, while the USD-Japanese yen pair resumed the upside move as risk sentiment improved. The Euro-US dollar recovered to the 1.1040 area and remains above the 1.10 handle, with the GBP USD jumping to 1.2250 due to a lower probability of a no-deal Brexit. As for commodities, Brent crude rallied to the $61 area. Initially, reason for the spike in oil prices was favorable economic data that came in from a private survey of China's services sector. According to the API report, crude inventories in the United States rose by 401,000 barrels in the week ending on August 30th to 429.1 million, compared with analyst expectations for a decrease of 2.5 million barrels. Early on Thursday, prices extended gains after the U.S. confirmed that talks with China to reach a trade agreement would be held in the coming weeks, giving hope that a dispute that has roiled global economies will be resolved. And that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please click subscribe to always be in touch with the latest market news.